Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living. Today we're going to make skillet beans and rice. Easy peasy, all comes out of a can, so it's all pantry safe. Will feed anywhere from 5 to 10 people, depending on whether you use it for a main dish or as a side dish. Okay, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of rice, which I've already started over here. You're going to need some red beans, some dark red kidney beans or light red, some garbanzo beans, some black beans, and 1 can of stewed tomatoes. Then you're going to need 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 medium onion. My onions are all like really big, so we're going to call that a medium. And 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Alright, y'all know me. I got to have my pan hot before I put anything in it. I'm going to shoot for a medium heat to saute my veggies with. I'm going to let that pan get hot. While the pan's getting hot, I'm going to cut that onion. Okay, I'm just going to dice this onion up. Take those heels off. Now I'm just dicing this about the same size that I diced those bell peppers. And if you notice, my bell peppers are frozen. That's because I put them up while they were on sale, so I don't have to worry about buying them when they cost too much. Okay. My pan's good and hot. It's not super hot because I can hold it there, but it's hot enough. Now I'm going to put just a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Alright, I'm going to let that oil get hot, and then we're going to drop those veggies. Okay, sizzle, sizzle, hear that? That's what you're looking for. Drop those. Go in with my red pepper. And my green pepper. Okay. I'm going to get that stirred up a little bit. And we're just going to let them brown. Okay, while those are browning, I'm going to go ahead and open my bean cans, because all of these beans have to be washed and rinsed. Rinsed and washed, however you want to say it. Okay, now I'm going to have to take those inside because I don't have like a sink out here. But I'm going to go inside and I'm going to wash and rinse my beans, drop them in this colander, and then I'll be right back. I'm nice and browned up. They're all soft. Cleaned up my beans. Now look how pretty they are. You wouldn't even know they came out of a can. They're so clean. We're going to add those to the pot, or to the skillet. It's a skillet. We're going to add that can of tomatoes, which I use stewed tomatoes. I just really do like stewed tomatoes. I mean, sometimes I use diced, but Randy and I really like the taste and texture of stewed tomatoes. So that's what's going in. Then I need 1 cup of water. And I need 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And I'm thinking that's what I got left. Nope. Yes. Maybe. Not, I'll improvise. Okay. Close enough. Don't sweat the small stuff. Then I'm just going to mash up my stewed tomatoes so they're not quite so chunky in there. Going to get that really well combined. I'm going to get a lid on it, and we're going to let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Hey, look at that, after 15 minutes. Isn't that wonderful looking? This used to show up all the time at like potlucks, because even if it was cold, it was still good. Okay, and with our beans tonight, we're going to have grilled chicken with Randy's famous butt rub on it. This stuff is awesome, and he'll leave a link up top or down below for the end of the video or something. But anyway, this is really, really good, and that's what's going to go with our beans and rice tonight. Okay, now to finish up our beans, I've let it go about 20 minutes. Still on that medium heat, because I like my beans a little bit on the soft side. Look at that. And now we're going to add that rice. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off because the rice is hot. If you're using leftover rice for this, which you absolutely could, then just turn it down low and just cook it long enough to heat your rice back up. In goes my rice. See what I mean about this feeding a ton of people? This entire skillet can't be more than $7 or $8 total. And if you wanted to make this a like a one-pot meal, you could put some leftover chicken or leftover pork, or, well, I would kind of stick with chicken or pork, but leftover chicken or pork in here would be absolutely fine. And look how many people you could feed. Isn't that the easiest, absolute, best way to use up pantry ingredients? That one little can of this and one little can of that. Now you know what to do with it. Y'all have a great evening. Like, subscribe, share, leave a thanks. Come back and see me. Catch you next time.